Hello. Friday starts off bright enough, but there will be a few showers developing, especially in the north and the west, and then it turns more damp in the south towards the end of the day. A damp end to the day on Thursday across the south and southeast of the cloud, and light rain generally lingering until midnight or so. Then it clears through, clear spells for many. Light winds in the south will lead to some mist and fog patches, but further patches of rain or showers into western parts of England, Wales, and more especially northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland, where it will be breezy, actually fairly windy in the north and the west, exposed to coasts of northwest Scotland, seeing gale force winds at times. That will keep temperatures up in the double digits. Further south, 13-14 Celsius in main towns and cities, but in the countryside into the single figures. A fresh start to Friday, in between weather fronts at first, but another weather front starts to move in for the end of the day. This is a tricky feature actually. It's, as you can see, just stroking southern counties of England and Wales, and depending on, well, the extent and the intensity of it, it could give some quite wet weather by the end of Friday in the south. But there are still question marks about the extent and the intensity of that weather front. A more straightforward picture further north, albeit a more blustery picture with low pressure to the north of Scotland, tightly packed isobars, and further showers coming through for northern and western Scotland in particular, and then developing more widely across Scotland into northern England and Northern Ireland as the daytime temperatures rise. 1 or 2 for North Wales there. But after a bright start for much of England and Wales, it then turns cloudy. Layers of high and medium clouds sweep across the southern third of the UK. And by the end of the afternoon, just the first signs of some rainfall appearing into the southwest as well as South Wales. Nothing particularly heavy at this stage. I think through much of daylight hours on Friday, much of England and Wales largely dry. Light winds in the south and still quite a humid feel, 21 Celsius. But further north, certainly a fresher feel, and temperatures a degree or two lower compared to Thursday. Here's that rain, and still some uncertainty about the northward extent and how heavy it could be, but it could be quite heavy for a time for southern counties of England as it clears through. However, after midnight, it's out of the way, and by the start of Saturday, we're back into this clear spells and showers sort of regime across much of the country. And once this is out of the way, much fresher air follows. So a cooler night to come, temperatures fairly widely single figures in the countryside and only just in the double figures in towns and cities. So a fresh start to Saturday, but a beautiful bright start to the day for eastern and southern areas. Plenty of sunshine in the northwest, further showers coming through. A lot of cloud cover, I think, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, much of northern England and North Wales, and that's where the most frequent showers will be, with some heavy downpours along with that brisk breeze. But further south, some sunshine clinging on for the afternoon into southern parts of England and South Wales, and largely dry here, just the odd shower. Nothing particularly heavy either. That breeze, though, making it feel cool. It's coming in from the northwest, and it will limit temperatures, so below average temperatures for most places, mid to high teens at best. Feeling pleasant enough if we're out of the wind and got some sunshine in the south, however, but further north and west, well, certainly feeling cool in that breeze. Showers develop more widely on Sunday, and then on Monday it's warmer in the south, but wetter in the northwest. Follow us on social media for all the very latest. Bye-bye.